Hello friends, I am Anirban Gupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is how to make bread toast vegetable sandwich. This is a very simple, easy and quick recipe. So let's see what is the ingredients. So ingredients are needed: 4 big slices bread. Then after needed round cutting cucumber. Then after needed boiled potato, already I smashed it. Then after needed black pepper powder. Then after needed salt to taste. This is the ingredients of bread toast vegetable sandwich. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take this smashed boiled potato and then after added black pepper powder and smashed well properly and beautiful mixed well properly. And then after added salt to taste and mixed well properly. So this is the done. So this is the finished, and now let's see the next step. See friends, I take these 4 beds, and at first these 4 beds I toasted at first. Then after I will go to the next step. See friends, I have done these 4 beds toasted. So this is the very crispiness, beautiful toasted. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take these 3 items. Now I prepared this bread toast sandwich. So at first I take to this bread, crispy bread, and now add smashed potato properly. Properly smashed. These are the very beautiful snacks items. You also try at your home. Very beautiful and quick item. And add cucumber. And then after add this. So this is the properly done. And now I will show another item. So at first these smashed potato properly add on top of the crispy bread. Then after add this cucumber. Then after add another bread and now properly spread. So this is the done. This snacks item is now ready, and let's see the next step. See friends, our bread toast vegetable sandwich is now ready, and I cut the bread slide items. I cut this properly. See, so now our vegetable bread toast sandwich is now ready for serve. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.